Saint Ephraim the Great, Bishop of Atsquri, April 15th. During a period of foreign invasions and internal strife in 9th century Georgia, Bishop Ephraim of Atsquri defended Orthodox doctrine and rebuilt churches, strengthening the faith of the people. A heads up in the spirit of transparency. Please be advised that this content may include demonic attacks, destruction of churches, confrontation with heresy. Saint Ephraim, known as Ephraim the Great, served as a hierarch in 9th century Georgia. He held the episcopal see of Atsquri, a significant center of Christian life in the southern region of the land. The Orthodox Church remembers him on April 15th. The life of Saint Ephraim unfolded during a time of difficulty for Georgia. Foreign powers invaded the land, and internal conflicts caused distress among the people. In this period, Bishop Ephraim demonstrated firm faith, performed miracles, and worked diligently to build and restore churches. George Merchule, a hagiographer of the 10th century, recorded the life of Saint Ephraim, presenting him as a key figure in the spiritual renewal of his era. He stood as a defender of Orthodox teaching and provided guidance to both clergy and the faithful. His leadership and the gifts he received from God left a lasting mark on the Georgian Orthodox Church. As Bishop of Atsquri, Saint Ephraim presided over the historic Atsquri Cathedral. This cathedral served as the seat of one of Georgia's ancient and important dioceses. Tradition held that within this holy place rested the icon of the Most Holy Theotokos, an icon said to have been brought to Georgia by the Apostle Andrew himself. The presence of this sacred image underscored the apostolic roots of the church in Atsquri and provided a source of spiritual strength for the community, a strength that Saint Ephraim nurtured through his ministry. God worked through Saint Ephraim, and he became known as a wonder worker. The accounts of his life describe numerous miracles that occurred through his prayers. He brought healing to those afflicted by illness. He cast out demons from those who suffered under their power. These acts, which manifested divine power, served to confirm the faith of the people. In a time of significant hardship, when the stability of the world around them wavered, the miracles performed by Saint Ephraim provided assurance of God's presence and his care for his people. These events were a visible witness to the truth of the gospel. A significant part of Saint Ephraim's work involved the construction of churches. During this era, invaders frequently destroyed Christian places of worship. Saint Ephraim dedicated himself with great energy to the task of rebuilding and consecrating new churches throughout his diocese. Each church he helped to restore or erect served as a refuge for the faithful, a place where they could gather for prayer, receive the holy sacraments, and find instruction in the teachings of Christ. These structures were not merely buildings. They were anchors for the spiritual life of the communities they served, providing stability and hope amidst the destruction and uncertainty of the age. His efforts ensured that the liturgical life of the Church continued to flourish, offering a constant source of grace and comfort. Saint Ephraim also served as a spiritual father and guide to others who sought to live a life devoted to God. He was a contemporary of Saint Gregory of Consta, a renowned monastic father, and offered counsel to him and other monastics. These monastics worked to revitalize the spiritual life of Georgia through their ascetic struggles and their establishment of monastic communities. Saint Ephraim's wisdom and experience were sought by those who led these spiritual endeavors. He supported their work, understanding the importance of monasticism for the health and spiritual depth of the entire church. His guidance helped to shape the spiritual landscape of Georgia, fostering an environment where holiness could take root and grow. As a leading hierarch, Saint Ephraim upheld Orthodox doctrine. He confronted various movements that deviated from the apostolic faith and resisted the pressures exerted by foreign occupation. His leadership was crucial in maintaining the theological integrity and the apostolic succession of the Georgian Church. He stood firm against teachings that contradicted the truth passed down from the apostles, ensuring that the flock entrusted to his care remained steadfast in the true faith. His defense of orthodoxy was not merely an intellectual exercise, but a spiritual battle to preserve the purity of the Church's confession, thereby safeguarding the salvation of the faithful. For his holy life, his tireless work in the service of God, and the many miracles that occurred through his prayers, the Georgian Orthodox Church glorified Saint Ephraim. He received the title, the Great, and is venerated as one of the most important holy hierarchs of Georgia. His memory continues to inspire the faithful, reminding them of the power of unwavering faith, diligent service, and steadfast witness to Christ in all circumstances. He stands as an example of a shepherd who truly cared for his flock, guiding them through turbulent times towards the kingdom of God.